I really like Marie's oil painting sets for anybody that wants to give themselves a chance to try oil paint, because I think there's a lot of people that get intimidated when they think about going to oils from, I don't know, acrylic, any other medium. There's something about oil paint that can be scary to some people, but there's really no reason to be afraid. Marie's is a really great way to give them a try, because you get 18 beautiful colors that work very well together at a very, very reasonable price that allows you to see how they would work for you. So I have just some primary colors out here, and I just wanted to show you some of the working properties. You can see that you get really nice covering power. I've got this Soho Gray palette here, and I'm just pulling out some of that primary yellow. And if we come into some of their cyan blue, you will see very quickly how you get a very vibrant green. Very vibrant green. And we will see how our red does. Just a touch of that red. They blend very quickly together. Paint feels nice. It's a little stiffer than some other brands. It has a good feel to it. It's very buttery. And then we will just match some of that. Now, mixing purple can be tricky, and right now I know it looks pretty dark. So what I'll do is I will add just a touch of white, perhaps a touch more white, and show you that it actually is making a very, very nice violet. So one last thing I'll show you is the colors all laid out. And you can see that range of color, get a very nice luminous sheen on them, and quite a collection. I'm really a fan of some of the blues and the viridians, very nice. So these are Marie's oil color sets, a really great way to get started in oils, give them a try, or add some colors to your oil collection. Thanks so much.